Hey guys, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the Eastbound GetDown car show, in Ormond Beach at Destination Daytona. And this is Car Show Cam. This was a different event for me, something I don't usually go to. But there was a lot of awesome vehicles out there. Lots of custom paint. I really enjoyed that. Anyway, here's the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
With every business owner in town, he's sharing the excitement of big savings with the Comcast Business Unlimited price lock guarantee.
You gonna park way down here?
Looking that way. Of course, they're stretched out between that and the Harley place there.
Yeah, I guess. Next signal says Daytona, Destination Daytona. Guess we could have went in there.
I think I'm gonna turn in here.
Yeah.
And go back that way.
Alright. Right there it is.
Go straight, turn out.
Go straight. Well, they're doing something there with a band. Yeah, you have to go that way.
Well, I'll just go right over there.
Okay.
Because I can park by that Nissan.
Whatever. Okay.
Or I can ride further down. What do you...
Let's check it out.
Alright, we'll go further down, see what we get.
Yeah, because there ain't no handicap parking through here.
Nope. Well, there's the dead end right there.
Oh, okay.
There ain't no way around that way, so I gotta go that way.
That's real cute. And there's a handicap spot right there.
Yeah, but I don't particularly want to take that.
Okay.
So, go back up this one.
Go on down. Maybe there's something that ain't going to be in everybody's way where we don't have to worry about loading and unloading. No?
Oh, hang on.
There's a handicap parking right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
On the end. All right.
Yeah.
I'll take it.
Ain't no entrances down here anyway.
No. So we don't need to stop anywhere.
Mm-mm. I'm almost out of tea, but I think I'm okay.
You can have some of mine. If you need it.
I ain't never had my head all of a sudden start hurting like that.
Yeah, I guess you're just gonna have to start exercising.
Honey, I think it was the heat. I didn't have a hat on.
Well, the hat, and you're wearing a long sleeve shirt because it was cold at the house when we left.
Yeah.
That's why if I knew, if I had known it was gonna be almost 75 degrees, I wouldn't have wore this shirt. I mean, I knew it was gonna be 69, but 69 and a breeze gets cold. And you know it's always windy here.
You can't get out there. You gotta turn and
Gotta go that way, yeah. There's somebody that didn't want to pay $60.
Yeah. It was $60 to enter.
Yeah. For the way out parking.
Yeah. Gonna go down and do a U-turn.
Yeah. Once this black car figures out where the hell they're going. Had to make sure it was clear.
Yeah.
I was kind of looking around to see if they had a merch tent somewhere with their shirts and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I never did see it.
Mm-mm. Probably in that section we didn't go all the way to the back.
No, it was supposed to be in one of them shops,
Oh.
but I didn't see it because they had posted pictures of it last night.
Yeah. Maybe you can order it online?
Yeah, wasn't really looking for a T-shirt.
Okay. What were you looking for? A hat?
Sticker,
Mm.
or poster. You know, just something. I don't need a hat. I don't wear them.
If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.